Hey, welcome back again. So we're heading into September. We're mid-September now here in Zone 7. So it's a great time for more perennials to go in the ground. And as you can see in our video, we've got a grass here and we've got a new for 2025 uh, hardy hibiscus that Proven Winners is launching next year. So this one isn't out yet. I was able to get my hands on one, which I'm super excited about. This is called Cookies and Cream Hardy Hibiscus, the Summerific Collection. We'll show you some information on the tag here. This one gets 42 to 48 inches. Beautiful, beautiful, creamy white blooms. It also has a dark burgundy leaf that almost looks black. It's a beautiful, beautiful foliage as well as the flower. Now, the difference between this one and most varieties of hardy hibiscus that you see are in the color of the blooms. Normally, they have an eye in the center of a red or pink or burgundy color. This one does not. This one is all white all the way through, a beautiful creamy white color. So really excited to see how that turns out next season. We also have a grass here today from Proven Winners. This is Prairie Wind's Blue Paradise. This is a beautiful, beautiful full sun grass. It has a blue color to it, which I needed in this space here at our pond. And it also has a little bit of purple. There's a purple variegation to the leaves of this grass, which are really, really, really pretty. So we're going to flank either side of our pond with the grass today. And then the hibiscus is going to go with our other two hibiscus that you'll see here. Or actually, you would have seen in other videos. So go back and take a look at those. If you haven't, please give us a subscribe. We've got gardening videos every week that we are producing, as well as some shopping videos if you've seen our channel before. So I hope you enjoy both of those, but let's get these in the ground. All right, so there we go. You can see this one looks a little bit crowded, but one, this tree is not staying. This is going to go. We've got this in a container so that we can move it around a little bit. So that's going to actually go away. But we've got it right here with our trio of hibiscus. Also, this is an annual salvia, so this will be going away soon as well. These are starting to already die back, so they'll be gone. So this will have plenty of room. The grasses, I think, turned out great. So let's show you those. And our grasses, I love these grasses. Look at the blue and purple in this grass. And to flank the purple that we have in our rock here, I think that's going to be a great complement to one another. We did flank the pond on either side with one of these, but I think what we're going to do is continue this all the way around the side. Excuse the pond liner. We have not finished capping off this pond yet. We wanted it to settle in a little bit before we did that. But I think I'm going to continue this all the way around on both sides because I love the color that this brings. So there we are. That's project done. It took us about 30 minutes to get these in the ground. Now I will say, excuse my mess, gardening is dirty business and it's extremely humid here today. So apologies for that. But I just wanted to tell you how much I'm in love with these grasses if you haven't heard that already. And the cookies and cream. I am so excited that I got my hands on that ahead of everyone else. So if you see that next season, grab it early because I think these are going to go very quickly. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching today. We hope you've enjoyed our video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps our channel out, and we're trying to grow this into something more than it already is. So we appreciate those of you that have been watching our videos from the start. You make this the reason that we do what we do, and we love sharing our knowledge. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.